Good.
He ran across LHO towards Lowe.
Okay, TAC 4 and LE4 are patched together, so there's emergency traffic on both.
Come here. It's slack. Talking, buddy. Talking. Talking, buddy. Talking. So far. Here. Sorry. Get him out there. Here. Come here. Come here, buddy. Come here. Shit. No, he's shot in the face. He shot the dog. Here. Come on, buddy. You're all right. That's a good buddy. That's all right.
South end of those apartments, about 20 yards into the woods.
God damn it!
20 yards.
You're all right, buddy. You're all right, buddy. You're all right.
Alright, the 2 units that are down here on call.
You're all right, buddy.
Y'all need to get hard cover, line up those damn woods in front of you, and don't move. Somebody call the vet. So you see 3 Central, District 6, and some units down here. Stations around Central, and everybody else.
What a good buddy.
You want to wait from call.
You're all right. You're all right, buddy.
He's still along, Lake Helen.
You're all right, buddy.
Okay.
Hey, buddy. You're all right.
I know, we're working on it for you, bud. K9's reading on, Central reading on TAC 6.
Come on, buddy. Come on. You're all right, buddy.
I'm reading on TAC 6, good.
We're going to get that bad man. We're going to get him. You did a good boy.
Can't get one for the land animal. I know Orman has a 24-hour that we use.
Buddy. That's all right. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Come here. Hey, come here, buddy. Come on, bud. You need help? No, I got it. Come on, buddy. That's all right, buddy. That's all right, buddy. That's all right, buddy.
One handler can come in.
Good boy. Come on, buddy. That a dog.
We'll give you guys an update as soon as we can, okay?
I don't give a boy.
Okay. Good boy.
Come on, bud.
Good boy. Come on.
Had a good dog. Yeah, you're a good boy. That's all right, Max. I'm right here, buddy.
Someone bring oxygen in here, please. You can stand right here outside. This is X-ray, so we don't want to.
Had a good boy, buddy. I'm right here.
You only got shot once?
I don't know. He got shot at 3 times. I only saw the one in the face.
How do we get your collar off? Master. We got it.
It's a cover clip. And all right, buddy. Plots. Plots, buddy. Plots.
Good boy.
That a good boy. Good plots. Good plots, buddy. Good boy.
side of the construction site making his way northbound. Roger. Jeremiah, that might be towards you. Alright, he's about halfway through that construction site, still making his way north. And northeast corner, it kind of bends to the west, and that's kind of where he's making his way towards right now.
Stand by. One in custody. Everybody. Are you good, Ray? Good. You good? Good. Look at me. Are you good? Get a med kit. Are you good? Med kit. Med kit. Go on here. Med kit. Good.
What do you got, Brian?
Get a med kit. Get a med kit over here right now.
Right here. Where you got it?
I got one on my back. Here. They're kind of somebody get the gloves on. Right there.